Well, YouTube, it's been snowing off and on today. Nothing sticking, but still got the cows. You can hear them bellowing in the background. Sorted the calves yesterday, and so they're having about a fit, but at any rate, the snow is good and it's bad. I mean, I want to see the snow, and I'm getting kind of looking forward to
Vision Glendive, a KYUST.
kind of looking forward to getting my snowmobile out. And it means I get to get in the shop a little bit more, which means we'll be getting some projects done. But it also means that I'm pretty well done in the corrals, which sucks because I didn't get near enough done in the corrals. But for right now, since the weather's so shitty, we are going to go see if we can get... I gotta try and do a cold start on 2 trucks, actually. I tried to start the blue 68 dump truck the other day, and no go there. And then the International has a dead battery. So I gotta try and get both of them things started. I gotta see if I get jumper cables. Uh-oh. I don't think I have jumper cables in the back of my pickup, which is not good. Actually, I'm not entirely certain where my jumper cables are. They're either in the shop or they're either in the shop or they are in the back of Oscar. So I'll find the jumper cables and we'll see if we can get the truck. Well, they actually weren't in either place. They were in the trunk of my Lincoln. So first things first, we're going to try and get this one started because we can let this one idle and let it charge its own battery. The other truck, however, we have to get in the shop. I think I flooded it the last time I tried to start it, but I'm not sure. But we'll choke it. No luck so far. Actually, thinking I don't have my jumper cables hooked up tight. There we go. There we go. Now it's pulling the pickup down. There we go. Hit her again. Kind of sounds like it wants to start. Hit her again. But not getting nothing so far. Well, let's let it charge up a little bit. Nothing thus far. But then this one hasn't been started even since... That's been a couple months anyways. Okay, so I put a little prime down the throat of this old girl. See what happens. Oh, we got life. That's a little more like it. Come on. She wants to. She's wanting to. Oh, almost. So close, come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, little 283, come to life. There it is. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh, she's cold. She's complaining. There it is. Smoky beast anyways. Oh, it doesn't like me letting the clutch out, does it?